If ChatGPT is lagging or taking too long to respond on your computer, there are a few simple ways to fix it. First, try to log out of your account and then log in back in. To do this, open ChatGPT, click your profile icon at the bottom left and select logout. After that, clear your browser cookies and site data for ChatGPT. You can do this by clicking on the lock or settings icon next to the address bar, finding cookies and site data, and deleting the saved data for ChatGPT. Then reload the page and sign in back. If the problem continues, you can try to using official ChatGPT app installed on your browser. On Windows, download it from the Microsoft Store. On Mac, use the App Store. The apps often run smoother than browser. Another common reason for lag is long conversion. When a chat becomes too long, it can slow down performance. To fix this, ask ChatGPT to create a summary of your conversion. Then start new chat and paste the summary. This helps you continue without lag. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.